Hello guys, I hope you are all fine. Today, I would show you some setting that will keep your hard drive safe. For this, right-click on any partition you want to optimize. In Properties, click on Tool option. Here is option of optimization. Simply click on it. Now select the drive you want to optimize. Click on the Optimize option and your drive will start to optimize. Here, you can also schedule this process. I am setting it to daily. Don't forget to select All Drive from here. Now, let's scan our drive to protect it from any virus. Just click on Scan Files and it will start. Now I am pausing video while it finished. It has completed. Now, let's move to our third method. Disk Cleanup. Click on it and it will check the way you can clean your disk. Here, it is cleaned now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe me. God bless you.